How to fix Messenger could not send the message problem. If you are facing this issue, then this video is for you. To solve this issue, first of all, check your internet connection if it is working perfectly fine or not. Then after that, go to your settings and then hit on the general and go through the iPhone storage. From here, search for the Messenger application. Once you found it, go through it and do offload app. Once you do that, go through your app store and search for Messenger and reinstall your Messenger application. Once you do that, if it is still not solved, then go through the Messenger application and hit on the profile and then go to the setting gear. Scroll down, there you will see report a problem. Hit on that and report a problem, explaining briefly about your issue that you want to fix. Messenger could not send the message problem and hit on the send. Messenger team will solve your issue within 24 hours. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.